Alright, how you doing? Hope you're well, keeping safe and all that. Just a bit of news. I just want to let you know about a new channel that we're starting. We're starting a new channel that is only vegan food. So yeah, we're going to be doing quite a lot of vegan food on a new channel. I'll leave the link down below, but it'd be really nice if you could check it out and subscribe and yeah, follow us. That'd be great if you could do that. So yeah, we're going to continue doing How to Cook Great. We're going to be pumping out some fantastic food on Mondays and on Thursdays. And yeah, we started this new channel just for you vegans. So we'll see you soon. Thanks a lot. Cheers.